Last month, the International Maritime Organization adopted a global climate framework for international shipping. The centerpiece of IMO's strategy is to halve carbon dioxide emissions from shipping by 2050, followed by complete decarbonization no later than 2100. Its sister agency for aviation, the International Civil Aviation Organization, adopted its own climate deal in 2016. ICAO's agreement caps net CO2 emissions from international aviation at 2020 levels through offsetting and aims for a 2% annual fleet-wide fuel efficiency improvement. Now that greenhouse gas targets are in place for both sectors, how do they compare? This figure compares projected CO2 emissions from international shipping, shown as the black solid and dotted lines, to emissions from international aviation with and without offsetting, shown as the blue surfaces. International aviation emissions are expected to grow from about 500 million metric tons in 2015 to between 900 and 1,800 million metric tons in 2050. Shipping emissions will fall by at least 50% by 2050, meaning that aviation is expected to overtake shipping as the largest international source of CO2 in about 20 years' time. Under IMO's agreement, shipping will claim roughly twice its current share of the world's total carbon budget, consistent with the Paris temperature goals. Aviation, in contrast, would increase its share of emissions 5 to 10-fold. The graphic highlights the importance of ICAO adopting its own long-term goal at its 40th assembly next year. For more information, please visit our website.